In this video, let's know how to download Instagram Reels, Instagram posts and IGTV videos to your phone gallery easily just in few seconds. So stick on to this video till the
I
end.
never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Welcome back to our channel Dr. Technoceras NDL. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like and follow our Facebook page. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such kind of videos. So coming to the topic in this video, let's know how to download Instagram stuffs to your phone gallery easily. First we need to open the Instagram app. Then after coming to Instagram, here we need to tap on the three dotted line which is on the top right. After tapping the dots, now we need to select the option copy link. Now the link gets copied to the clipboard. Then we need to go to the browser. There we need to search as download Instagram post. Here tap on the first website and here on this space paste the link which you copied earlier. Now tap on the search button. And now you can see that you get the option to download the photos. Now tap on the download option. And as soon as you tap the download option, the photos starts getting downloaded. And you can see that the photo is now downloaded in the device. And the photos also gets downloaded in a very good resolution. And further, if you wish to download any Instagram Reels, I will show you one downloading it. For example, I'll tap on an Instagram Reel. Here you need to tap on the three dot button which is on the right bottom of the screen and tap on the option copy link. Now the link is copied. Now in the same way we need to go back to Google and search as download Instagram Reels. Tap on the third website. Then after coming to the website, paste the link of the reel which you copied earlier from Instagram. Then tap on the download option. Here in some seconds you will get an option to download the reel. Now tap on the download MP4 button. And you can see that the reel is getting downloaded. And in the same way, if you also wish to download Instagram IGTV videos, then even there you need to apply the same trick which we applied to download the reels and the posts. That is just copying the link and using a website to download it. I guess this video was helpful to you. Please share your opinions through comments and do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos. Finally, thanks for watching.